as soon as I got here. It's the #1 kitchen rule. Now here's how to play. Listen to the question. Drag the correct number of scoops into the bowl. When you've finished, shake your leaf pad back and forth to ring the bell. There are 5 scoops of ice cream in the bowl. Add ice cream to the bowl until you have 9.
Yum!
Listen to the question. Drag the correct amount of food onto the scale until it weighs the amount shown by the line on the scale. When you've finished, shake your leaf pad back and forth to ring the bell. Next, fill the bowl with broccoli until the needle of the scale points to 2 kilograms. Now, fill the bowl with broccoli until the...
Nice work! Broccoli might look funny, but it has some serious vitamins that fight off sickness.
Now, there is 1 scoop of nuts in the bowl. Add nuts to the bowl until you have 6.
Delicious! Nuts have many good nutrients, including vitamin E that is good for your skin. Nutty!
This time, fill the bowl with strawberries until the needle of the scale points to 9 kilograms.
Delicious!
Listen to the question. Tip your leaf pad to pour the correct amount of liquid into the measuring cup, filling it up to the line. When you've finished, shake your leaf pad back and forth to ring the bell. Now, fill the measuring cup 1/4 full with chocolate sauce. Remember to shake your leaf pad back and forth to ring next. Fill the measuring cup 1/4 full with chocolate sauce.
Well done! I couldn't have done better myself! Hello again, my fabulous sous chef. That's French for someone who chops and prepares the food for cooking, by the way. Now it's time to whip those foods into fabulous dishes so we can feed the hungry party people. Watch for plates on the conveyor belt. Then help me create delicious dishes for our friends.
Here's how to play. Listen to the question. Drag the ingredients you need onto the moving plate. Hurry! You need to finish the dish before the plate hits the end of the conveyor belt. Shake your leaf pad to start the conveyor belt. Let's make some sundaes. We need 1 piece of broccoli, 2 scoops of nuts, and 1 strawberry. Broccoli, nuts, strawberries.
That dish is drool-worthy.
Shake your leaf pad to start the conveyor belt. Next, you should use 1 piece of broccoli, 1 strawberry, and 1 scoop of chocolate sauce. Broccoli, strawberry, chocolate sauce.
Well, butter my biscuit. That's great!
Shake your leaf pad to start the conveyor belt. Now, you should use 1 piece of broccoli, 1 scoop of nuts, and